When it comes to health elixirs, the spotlight is often on herbal teas like chamomile or green tea. However, there's a humble yet potent contender emerging on the wellness scene: onion tea. Yes, you read that right. The same kitchen staple that adds flavor to our meals can also be transformed into a nourishing brew. In this video, we'll peel back the layers and explore the 7 surprising benefits of incorporating onion tea into your daily routine. 1. Immune system boost. Onions are rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals that play a pivotal role in supporting a robust immune system. Sipping on onion tea can provide your body with the nutrients it needs to fend off infections and keep you feeling healthy. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Quercetin, a powerful antioxidant found in onions, exhibits anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption of onion tea may help reduce inflammation in the body, providing relief to those suffering from conditions such as arthritis or inflammatory disorders. 3. Digestive aid. Onion tea contains compounds that stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, promoting a healthy gut. If you often experience digestive issues, incorporating a cup of onion tea into your routine might be a natural and soothing solution. 4. Detoxification support. The sulfur compounds in onions contribute to the body's detoxification process. Drinking onion tea can help eliminate toxins and support the liver in its crucial role of filtering and purifying the blood. 5. Heart health. Research suggests that onion consumption may have a positive impact on cardiovascular health by lowering blood pressure and reducing cholesterol levels. Incorporating onion tea into a heart-healthy lifestyle could be a simple yet effective choice for maintaining cardiovascular well-being. 6. Respiratory relief. Onion tea has been used traditionally to alleviate respiratory issues such as coughs and colds. The antibacterial properties of onions, combined with the soothing warmth of the tea, make it a comforting remedy for respiratory discomfort. 7. Skin rejuvenation. The antioxidants in onions contribute to healthy skin by combating free radicals that accelerate the aging process. Drinking onion tea regularly might give your skin a natural glow and contribute to a more youthful complexion. As we unravel the potential benefits of onion tea, it becomes clear that this kitchen staple has more to offer than just flavor. From immune support to anti-inflammatory effects, the layers of wellness that onion tea provides are diverse and impressive. While it might not replace your favorite morning coffee, adding a cup of onion tea to your daily routine could be a small but significant step toward a healthier and more balanced life. So, why not embrace the wholesome goodness of onion tea and let its natural benefits nourish you from the inside out? Ingredients: 4 cups of water, 2 organic onions, quartered with the skin left on, 4 teaspoons honey, or to taste. Directions: bring water and onions to a boil over medium heat. Reduce the heat and simmer for about 1 hour. Strain the liquid through a sieve. Pour into the cups and sweeten with honey.